Hey everyone, Wakas here, and today I've got to show you something almost nobody checks on their phone, even though it could be quietly eating up your storage and collecting info about your browsing habits every single day. So, hidden inside your browser, there's this folder that keeps records of websites you visited for months, and most people don't even know it exists. But it can fill up with hundreds of entries, hog your storage, and help websites recognize you every time you come back. Good news is, clearing it out only takes a couple minutes, and today I'll show you exactly how to do it in Google Chrome. And stick around till the end because I'll also show you a setting that stops sketchy websites from silently downloading files onto your phone. Alright, let's get into it. So first, open a Google Chrome and tap the three dots in the corner. Go to settings, then scroll down until you find site settings right there. Open it and keep scrolling until you hit stored data or data stored, something like that. Tap on it and honestly, you're probably gonna be surprised how many websites are listed in there. Every one of these sites has stored info on your phone. Some just save your preferences, but others keep data that can be used to recognize you later. So just tap delete all data and confirm, and boom, within seconds you've cleared out months of built up website data. Now think of these stored files like little digital keys that websites leave behind inside your phone. Every time you go back to those pages, they recognize your browser faster and remember stuff about you. And yeah, some of that is convenient, but it also helps advertisers and tracking systems follow your activity over time. So cleaning this out regularly gives you back storage and cuts down on tracking. Okay, now let's move on to the second setting, and this one even more important. Open Chrome again, tap the three dots, go to settings, then back into site settings and find site data on device. Now here you will see an option that lets websites save data on your phone. Now completely disabling these can actually break some websites. So instead I'd recommend using site exceptions. Tap add site exception and type in the address of any website you don't fully trust. Once it's added, tap the three dots next to it and choose whether to allow it or block it from storing data. This gives you full control. You decide which websites get to keep info on your phone and which ones don't, which is great. It blocks the shady sites from planting long-term data, while your trusted sites still work totally fine. Alright, finally, let's talk about one setting a lot of people overlook, but it can protect you from unwanted downloads. Head back into site settings in Chrome and look for automatic downloads. Open it and make sure this is set to blocked. And don't worry, if you ever need a trusted site to download a bunch of files automatically, you can just add a site exception for it later. Now here's why this actually matters. Some malicious websites throw up these fake buttons, stuff like close window or continue. And the second you tap them, they try to trigger hidden downloads in the background. Sometimes it's just harmless spam, but other times it could be unwanted software or sketchy files sneaking into your storage without you even realizing it. So blocking automatic downloads adds another layer of protection. Your browser just won't quietly accept a bunch of downloads from sites you never approved. So these three simple settings take less than 4 minutes to set up, but they'll free up storage, cut down on tracking, and seriously improve your privacy while you browse. And I'd recommend checking these every few weeks just to keep your browser clean and your phone running smooth. So, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I've got more privacy and security tips coming soon.